Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Docker running and reachable. Install the Docker engine and enable virtualization and firmware, then add your user to the Docker group so you avoid sudo every time. Once done, restart your session and run docker run rm hello world to confirm the daemon responds. If that container prints success, you've completed the first actionable step. If not, check systemtool status docker and the journal to identify startup issues before proceeding. Now you construct reproducible images and an orchestration file. Write a concise Docker file that uses a small base image, copies just the runtime artifacts, and declares an entry point, then build with docker build tmyap 1, 0, and verify the image list. Next, author a Docker compose. Iml to bind ports, mount persistent volumes, inject environment variables, and attach networks. Once done, run docker compose up D to start the stack. Make sure finish by hardening and automating. Set restart. Unless stopped, apply CPU and memory limits, and schedule backups for important volumes or push images to a registry. Once deployed, you monitor with Docker stats, Docker logs, and Docker inspect to confirm health and connectivity. If something goes wrong, for example permission denied or containers won't start, check that the Docker daemon is running with systemtool status docker. Verify your user is in the Docker group, and review SE Linux/app armor or firewall rules that might block container networking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.